Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. This is Chetan and this is the Redmi K20, not with the Xiaomi branding because this is going to be an independent brand now. And the Redmi K20, this is the red flame version where you see those beautiful lines on the back when the light is projected against it. And we'll do a quick unboxing and let you know about our design thoughts. This is the Redmi K20 box packaging, and this would be almost the same packaging that you'll see in India as well, except for the Mandarin language changing to English. On the back, this is some unique kind of logo given, and this 6 GB plus 64 GB variant that we are going to unbox here. So firstly, what you get in the box package is this inner box that would have the SIM ejector tool. Along with that, you'll have those instruction manuals and also the warranty booklet. And apart from these booklets, what you'll see is this plastic cover, which actually feels smooth and solid at the same time. It has a smooth back, and this is the phone, that's the Redmi K20. This comes with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display with the Full HD Plus resolution, and this is the back of the phone. And you can see again, since there's light around, you'll see those lines around it. And this is the 9V2A 18-watt charger. That's the quick charge charger that is coming in the box package itself. And there's this USB Type-C cable along with it. So now this is the back of the phone. You see that whenever there's light around it, it's not just red but other colors also show up there. But if there is no light around, it would be a pitch black or a dark back on the phone. So it's kind of unique and interesting. And there's a triple lens camera combination on the back of the phone, which we'll be talking about later, though it's a 48 megapixel plus 8 MP plus 13 MP camera combination. On the right are the volume button and the power button. Towards the bottom you have the Type-C port, also the SIM access tray and the speaker grill and microphone on the bottom of the device. On the left of the phone there's nothing actually, and there's the antenna band obviously, and on the top is that motorized pop-up selfie camera and also the 3.5 mm headset jack and secondary microphone for the noise cancellation. And the motorized pop-up camera is a 20 megapixel f2.0 camera for selfies as well as for face unlock. That's what you saw here. It's the face unlock that got activated there. And these are the major specs again to give you a round of it. It's a Snapdragon 730 over Qualcomm and 4000 mAh battery. The rear camera combination is 48 plus 8 plus 13 megapixel, and it's a Full HD Plus resolution with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB storage, and 6.39 inch is the screen size of it. This is MIUI 10 over Android 9 Pie. So if you have already used MIUI, you know that it's going to be the same, except this time you won't see anything mentioned as Xiaomi because it's Redmi, the independent brand now. This is the camera application of the phone where you have the regular photo mode, and there's a dedicated 48 megapixel mode to take that 8000 into 6000 pixels pictures. And this is the portrait option where you can change even the aperture size, which is new for Xiaomi's phones. And again, you have the options such as movie, rainbow, stage, and these are the different lighting effects that you get for the portrait shots, and these are studio lighting options that you see there. Apart from that, you have the panorama option, and also there's one dedicated pro mode. And under pro mode, if you see, there are options which are regularly seen: white balance, focus, and shutter speed and ISO. But there's this good option of changing the lens. You can change it from the regular one to wide or the ultra wide. The wide angle is the regular 48 megapixel one, telephoto lens is the 8 megapixel one, and that is something I actually liked because under pro mode, if you know what you are going to do, you can change the lens as well. And for slow-mo, you can take 960 fps videos that can be done for up to Full HD resolution. And under settings, you have time lapse, and after time lapse, if you go into the video quality, the best that you can capture is 4K videos at 30 fps, and Full HD videos can also be captured at the same frame rate. And to change the lenses here, the three lenses, that's wide, telephoto and the wide angle, this is how you can change it. There's that button over the list of modes, and that button would help you change the lens there from the regular. And this is the front facing camera. The first thing that you would notice is that light. So there's that red light around the motorized camera, which always shows up whenever you're trying to switch to the selfie camera. And mind you, Xiaomi is giving you that notification or also the warning if you're trying to use the front camera again and again. If you're trying to open it again, you'll get that notice there. And this is what happens when you try to do it for 5 to 6 times continuously. So you're opening the front camera too frequently, and that is a good warning. So it's always to tell you that it isn't good to keep using it. So these are the benchmark scores. This is the Geekbench for score. And now going on to the Antutu benchmark, it's about 2,12,910 points on the Antutu benchmark. So this was a quick hands-on and the unboxing of the Redmi K20, not the Xiaomi Redmi K20. And I hope you like this video. If you do, do share and subscribe to Gizmo for more. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.